Here we are at 4 Blue Water in Garden City, Murrells, Inlet, South Carolina. And let's go inside and take a look at this lovely manufactured home. Okay, first you have this nice size screen porch. You do have a view of the pond back there. Needs to be trimmed a little because it's growing over a little. It's really cute. Love this screen porch. Okay, go in the front door. It does have the LVP in here, already done. You have a nice size living room into the kitchen, very open floor plan. This is a great size. I'll put the dimensions in the wording. This is the Carolina room, which is really nice. Nice big Carolina room too. Definitely a lot of seating, which is wonderful. So you could have quite a few people in here. I'm sure this is probably a pull-out, so friends and family. And this is bedroom 1. And bathroom. Okay. Closet. And this is a full bed in here, so it's plenty of room, you can see. There's carpet in the bedrooms. Okay, over here. And it does have a dishwasher. A lot of manufactured homes do not have dishwashers. And a microwave over the range. This is a pantry right here. Pantry, all the good stuff with pantry. Okay. And this door is just like storage, like the broom closet. And the flooring continues here, and then carpet again in the bedroom. This is bedroom 2. That is a trundle bed, like a day bed with a trundle underneath. Okay, then the laundry area, nice washer and dryer. Then bathroom number 2. This is the guest bath for sure. Shower, tub, vanity, commode. Then we have bedroom number 3. So this is bedroom number 3. This looks like a queen. Closet's over here. Still pretty roomy considering they have a queen size bed in here. See, stand back here. Can't get all the way to the corner because of the nightstand, but nice size. Really cute. Let's go outside and take a look at what they have to offer. Okay, the deck back here, that's the entrance to the Carolina room. Small deck here. There's the pond. Let's take a walk down there and look at it. This is a really great lot. There's a shed in the back. You can park your golf cart in here. It's already got the vinyl siding on it, which is required by the community now. So if anybody buys a metal one, they have to put the siding on it. Here's the pond. All of this needs to be trimmed down. If you call the community center, they will have one of their maintenance guys take it down. Okay, so here is the shed. And all vinyl sided. Shutters look so cute. There's another storage area. Really nice. Some solar lighting around it. It's got a metal roof on it, so the metal roof is newer. Really nicely landscaped. Absolutely adorable. Let's walk all the way back around to where we were. 2 parking spaces right here in the front. I would imagine if you wanted to widen it, you could, with permission, of course. See how big that Carolina room is? That's a nice size addition. It really steps up the space in there. You have the hose bib right here, the water meter. Steps to the Carolina room. Look at that big unit. That is a newer unit as well. So they do still have the window unit in there. He's going to take that down, but it's just there because he leaves it there for now. So we are going to go back inside. And if you have any questions about this property, you can call me, Christine House, Century 21, Broadhurst, at 609-339-0916. Or you can email me at yourcentury21agent@gmail.com. If you have any questions about any other property in the area, please don't hesitate to call me, email me, or text me. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.